Ever wanted just extrude a mesh and want the UVs to be extrude nicely with it? The correct face attribute does not help. Correct face attribute still stretches the side UVs when extruding faces upward. The curb extruder fixed this. This add-on extrudes your faces on any angle and keep the side UVs nice and clean. In the UV editor, you can see the newly calculated UVs cleanly and beautifully unwrapped. The add-on calculate the new UVs along the normal, so you can give the face any angle and it will still work nicely. The add-on also detects when no texture coordinate node is connected to the mapping node, if one is being used, and it can automatically identify when the wrong coordinate output is connected. Here I demonstrate the mapping node in action by changing the texture scale. As you can see, the add-on preserves the UVs correctly, keeping the newly created side faces clean and free from stretching. The extrusion height is calculated in real-world meters, and there is no need to apply the object scale beforehand. The add-on automatically keeps everything intact and consistent throughout the process. Multiple face extrusions are also supported, allowing you to speed up your workflow significantly. And the add-on comes with this Blender project file and 3 free seamless textures, base color and their normal maps.